about starting a trucking company? You're not alone. It's a booming industry and the backbone of the American economy, transporting goods across the country. But let's face it, getting started can feel like trying to navigate a maze. So let's break it down. First, you need a solid business plan. This is your roadmap. It outlines your business goals, the services you'll offer, and how you plan to stand out in a crowded market. Think about your niche. Are you transporting fresh produce or oversized loads? Knowing your specialty can help you target the right customers. Next, let's talk about legal requirements. You'll need to register your company and get a U.S. DOT number. This is crucial because it identifies your company, keeping everything on the up and up. It's important to also get the right operating authority, allowing you to haul cargo for hire. These steps can be a bit tricky, but that's where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. We're the top online service provider in the transportation industry. They can assist you with all your registration compliance needs. Now, what about equipment? Your trucks are your business's lifeline. Consider whether you'll buy or lease. Buying gives you ownership, but leasing can offer flexibility and lower upfront costs. Remember, your trucks need regular maintenance to keep them running smoothly and safely on the road. Another key factor is insurance. You'll need to protect your business, your drivers, and your cargo. Insurance can be costly, but is a must-have to safeguard against unexpected events. Shop around for the best rates and coverage that fits your company's needs. Hiring the right team is essential. From experienced drivers to dispatchers and mechanics, each role is crucial. Offering competitive salaries and benefits can attract top talent. And don't forget ongoing training to keep your team sharp and compliant with safety regulations. Marketing your business is the next step. Creating a strong online presence can help you reach potential clients. Consider using social media, a professional website, and online advertising to spread the word about your services. Word of mouth is also powerful, so delivering excellent service can lead to referrals. Lastly, keep an eye on your finances. Managing expenses and cash flow is crucial for staying afloat. Use accounting software or hire a professional to ensure everything is in order. Knowing your numbers can help you make informed decisions and plan for growth. Starting a trucking company is no small feat, but with the right steps, it's definitely achievable. Remember, FMCSA Registration.com is here to help with all your compliance needs. Visit us at FMCSA Registration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your trucking journey.